Let's continue simultaneous equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2 by graphical method. Okay, so we need to prepare a table for each of the equation. So for equation 1, which is x plus 2y is equals 10, so we need to make y the subject of the formula, which is 2y equals 10 minus x, and your y is equals to 10 minus x divided by 2. So let's prepare a table for it, because normally the value of x is usually given within a range. Let's say x is here, y is here. You can say let's take the value from -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Then we'll look for the value of y. Okay, but from here, that is where we are going to look for our x, our y. So put the value of x here. We have minus 2. Okay, it will look like something like 10 minus 2 all over 2. Okay, so whatever we arrive, you divide it and put it. That is the value of your y. Okay, so now we have 12 divided by 2, we have 6. So when you put this one, you have what? 11 divided by 2, you have 5.5. When you put 0, you have what? 5. When you put 1, okay, when you put 1, it will be 9, 4.5. When you put 2, you have 8, you have 4. Okay, so this is how it goes. So for the second one, we have your x minus y equals 4. Okay, so your y is equals to x minus 4. So you prepare a table for this. Okay, same thing, use the same range. We have x, we have y, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. So you put this value here, and whatever you come out is the value of your y. So when you put minus 2 here, minus 2 minus 4, you have minus 6. Minus 1 minus 4, you have minus 5, minus 4, okay, minus 3, and minus 2. That is the value of your truth table. Okay, and so now we need to plot the graph. We have gotten the graph. Okay, so you can use your ruler from this table. On this table now, you can say the scale on x-axis, okay, is what? Is 1 unit is equals to what? 1 centimeter. And y-axis, because of this point, you want to spread it a little, you can say it 1 unit is equals to 2 centimeter. Okay, so let's leave it like that. And by looking at the table, you discover that the highest negative is 6 and the highest positive is what? Is 6. So we can get it. You use the middle of the graph. Use the middle of the graph. You use pencil to roll the line. Okay, you use pencil to roll the line. Okay, so you roll it like this, as if you are dividing it into 2. This is the origin, the 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we say on y-axis, we say let this one represent what? 2 centimeter. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it goes. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we now have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Okay, like that. On the x-axis we have minus 1, okay, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and minus 7. Okay, so let's plot it. Let's plot our graph. On the first one, whenever x is what? Is 2, we have 6. When x is minus 2, y is what? When x is 2, y is what? 6. So at the last part, you go there. This is 2 and this is 6. Okay. When x is minus 1, you have 5.5. When x minus 1, you have 5.5. 5.5 is here. Okay. When x is 0, we have 5. Y is 5. When y is 1, we have 4.5. Okay. When x is 2, y is 4. So like this. So this is the line. It's as simple. So let's drag it, let's draw it, and make sure it follows what we want to do. So we have our line here. Okay, the first one. So the second one, let's do it again. When x is 2, minus 2, y is minus 6. When x is minus 6, minus 2, this is minus 6, okay? You continue to do like that. This is under. You might not see it, but let me bring it to where you can easily see it. Okay? When x is minus 1, this is minus 5. Okay? When x is minus 1, y is minus 5, like this. Okay? When x is 0, this is minus 4. When x is minus 1, is 1, this is y is minus 3. When x is 2, this is minus 2. Okay? So you now try to join it and see how it goes. Okay, you join it until it crosses the other line. Okay, until it crosses the other line. Okay, so you have it here. So you can see the point of intersection. Here is your first one, the first equation, which is x plus 2y is equals to 10, and this one is x minus y is equals to is equals to 4. Okay, so when you can see the point of intersection here, you trace it to y-axis and trace it to x-axis. Whatever value you have on these two lines, that is the value of the equation. Okay, so we now have your x is equals to what? 6. If you trace this to this, you have 6. And if you trace your line to y, you have what? 2. So these are the value of the equation. Follow it. Make sure you do your own graph. Don't just watch it as if you are reading English. Make sure you do it the way I did it, and you see that you will understand. See you in the next page.